Welcome back, Nevada, to this episode of CubTV. This week we had a lot of fun with pies.
Yeah, especially with the Key Club Angel Tree fundraiser.
We got to pie teachers in the face.
I can't wait to learn a lot more about this.
Key Club is a community-based club that works with the Kiwanis program. And we do a lot of community service projects, so we do Harmony Clothing Closet, and we do fundraiser events for things like Angel Tree and other events like in the past. So the fundraiser we're doing is a Pie in the Face fundraiser, and so we are raising money for Angel Tree. And if for some that don't know what Angel Tree is an organization that provides gifts for children that really need it. And so children that don't get gifts for Christmas or they get nothing at all, they would provide gifts for those children in need.
Thanks, Caitlin, for that insightful info on the Angel Tree fundraiser. Now let's switch over to watch teachers get pied in the face. Sounds like we're gonna have a lot of fun. But now I'm in the mood to eat some actual pie.
Me too. Hey, do you want to come with me and bake my famous sweet potato pie?
I wish I could, but I have a science project. Have fun though.
I will. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be baking my famous sweet potato pie for Thanksgiving. I sense a lot of you will be home this year, and that's why I'll be baking it for the first time by myself today, to show you that anyone can bake. Okay everyone, our first step is to make the delicious crust. So what you're going to need is 3 sticks of butter, some flour. Oh, that smells delicious. And now we're gonna turn it on about 12 speed is good. Delicious. Well, let's just forget about the crust. Who needs crust anyways? Let's just move on to the filling. First, we're gonna peel our sweet potatoes.
Ben, that's not a potato.
It isn't? Wait. Now we're gonna peel the sweet potatoes.
That's still not a potato.
We are going to peel the sweet potato.
Cut!
Okay, so now we're going to peel the sweet potato. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some sugar just to make this a little bit more sweet. So we have some sugar here. Let's mix it up. Now that's a filling. Now that our pie is made, we're gonna put it in the oven for about 40 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna set my timer and be right back. Fire, 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 fire. Help me, fire! There's a fire, fire, someone. Well, that's how you make my sweet potato pie. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time on Baking with Ben.
That went well.
Yeah, it did.
Let's get off this pie high and go see Patrick and Marissa to see how the esports team is doing.
Sounds good. I'm all pied up from that mess. Let's go.
As a special addition to Nevada High School, this year's esports team has had remarkable success this past season. As they enter their Overwatch season, I look forward to getting some insight into how the esports team operates.
So esports it's just kind of like any other sports. It's a competition between different school districts where students are participating, but instead of playing on a field, we're playing video games. So video games in general are a great way to learn because you can fail and then learn how to get better. So as part of the Iowa High School Esports Association in the fall, the main game was Smash Brothers Ultimate.
We played very well. We only lost about 2 or 3 games.
Whereas Smash, our fall game, was more of kind of an individual sport. Our winter season is more of a team activity. So you have to learn how to work with other players, how to work and collaborate with other people, and that is a very important skill to learn.
It's a multiplayer game of 6-on-6 teams with special abilities where you face off, pushing payloads through maps.
It's fun activity, where after school you get to come in, play video games with other people, and then learn. Even if it's a game you haven't played before, it's fun to learn it.
I think that it might have opened up 1 or 2 more opportunities, and I've met multiple new people.
It does give an outlet for some students who may not have other activities to be involved in, but there's just so many jobs that can come out of this or future endeavors.
If you want to do it, I say you should because it's a great time. It doesn't really take much to do.
So you would just need to contact me or Mr. Sampson, or just come into the esports room in the media center at 3:30 on most Monday, Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays.
Nevada is lucky to have such a great team. We'll have to pay close attention to see how these upcoming months play out. And remember, you can still join if you're interested in being an addition to the esports team.
Well, looks like they're doing great this year.
Yeah, maybe I should start watching these matches. They're pretty cool.
Definitely. Well, that's all the time we have for this episode of CubTV.
We'll see you next time and have a happy Thanksgiving. And don't forget, there's no such thing as too much pie.